Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we uncover the mysteries of pu'er tea, a beverage steeped in tradition and flavor. Originating from the Yunnan province in China, pu'er tea is renowned for its centuries-old tradition. This tea undergoes a unique aging process, often improving with time like fine wine. Pu'er's rich, earthy flavor profile is a testament to its meticulous fermentation process. Each sip reflects the craftsmanship that goes into creating this distinctive tea. Historically, pu'er was traded along the ancient tea horse road, connecting China to Tibet and beyond. This trade route played a crucial role in spreading its popularity. Beyond its cultural significance, pu'er tea offers numerous health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, it aids digestion and weight management, making it a favorite among wellness enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tea explorations.